To insert two SIM cards in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to grab your device and remove the SIM slot that is located right here. For me, it's already removed. All you have to do is grab SIM ejection tool and then just stick it into this gap right here, push on it, and then the slot will come out. Now, when we have our slot, let's take it into the hand, and then we'll need to grab our SIM card. It's the nano SIM card that you need, and align it with the slot. So you can see this little cutout right there. Make sure that it sits properly with your SIM card, and then just lock it in like that. So we have our first SIM card inserted. Now let's move to the other. The same thing, but in this case you will need to put it like this, so that the position also matches with the cutout. So now we have two of the SIM cards inserted, and we can grab our phone and insert the SIM card slot back. Okay, and here we have it. It will ask me for the PIN after I enter it. Our SIM card is inserted, and that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.